This is how to pay bills online using Bank of America credit cards. So make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you should log into your online banking, either using your computer or your mobile app. After that, from the accounts overview page, click the pay and transfer tab. For the next step, you should select pay bills pairing, and then all pays you have previously set up will show here. Select the payee you wish to pay and select the pay from account to add a new payee with the demo add pays to bill pay. You can view activity, set reminders, set up autopay, or view request e-bills. Click on the items under each payee for details. For the next step, enter the payment amount and deliver by date. Make sure to repeat these steps for each payee you want to pay. Click make payments. Select autopay to set up a recurring payment for the same amount on the schedule you choose. Once done, you will see a confirmation that your payment was successfully scheduled. You can print a copy of the payment information before you log out. So click return to payment center to view, edit, or cancel your payment. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.